Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the teleporter in Hytale. The teleporter can be crafted on the Arcanist workbench, but keep in mind that the Arcanist workbench can only be made through a tier 2 normal workbench and requires some steep materials, mainly thorium, linen scraps, and essence of the void. We have a video of this in case you want to learn more. The teleporter can be crafted through the use of 8 azure logs, 2 azure kelps, and 10 of any stone you can find. The azure logs can be found in the azure forest. If you take a look on the map, look out for this forest I'm showing you on the screen. There will always be azure trees in these biomes. However, if you want to find azure kelps, make sure that there's a body of water that's running through or settled inside the forest. Just simply chop down the trees and collect the kelp underwater. How to use them is pretty simple. First, set up the 2 teleporters anywhere you want. And before setting up the waypoint, give them a name first. Once you've named both of them, manually connect the 2 portals through this drop-down. Once you've done that for both, then you have successfully linked the teleporters. Now let's try a farther distance. And when I set up the teleporter, it's still pretty much working. So get to traveling around the world faster through the use of teleporters. And that's how to use the teleporter in Hytale.